Hello, my loves. I am Janelle, your manifesting love guru, and today I'm going to help you manifest the love of your life back. This perfect meditation is designed to shift your reality so that your specific person is the one who breaks the silence, reaches out first, and consistently takes loving action toward you. Thank you for subscribing, and remember to click the bell icon because I create new manifestation videos several times a week to manifest love with the law of attraction and the law of assumption. I have helped thousands of people all around the world, and I can help you too. Just visit me at joybyjanelle.com. No more waiting or wondering. They miss you. Think of you constantly and initiate contact with ease and urgency. Assume it. It is already done. Listen to this every day for 28 days. Now let's begin. They are the one who always breaks the silence and reaches out to me first. I am the one they constantly want to talk to and to connect with. They take action toward me because they can't stand being apart from me. I effortlessly receive messages, calls, and attention from them. They initiate deep, loving conversations with me all the time. I am always the one they choose to reconnect with no matter what. They crave my presence and always makes the first move. I feel completely secure knowing they always come to me. They can't resist reaching out. They miss me constantly. I live in a reality where they take action, open up, and pursue me fully. They are texting me right now. They just have to talk to me. They instantly reach out to me. My phone lights up with their name like magic. I am a magnet for instant contacts from them. They feel a powerful urge to call me this second. My energy pulls them to me fast, and they can't resist it. I am their first thought, and they act on it immediately. They feel an overwhelming desire to hear my voice now. Contact from them comes to me instantly and easily. They drop everything just to reach out to me. They are obsessed with talking to me. They can't hold back. I just received a love confession from them. It's only natural for them to confess their love for me. I am irresistible. It is impossible for them to resist me. They confess their love every single day. I receive beautiful love letters from them confessing their love to me. I am always told how much I am loved and admired. They are writing a long love letter to me right in this moment. They always tell me how in love they are with me. They always tell me how obsessed they are with me. They always tell me how much they can't live without me. They are desperately wanting to tell me they are in love with me. They tell me they love me all the time. They love every single thing about me. They want to stay together forever. They have poured their heart to me. They have 100 full journals written about me. Every person they know is sick of talking to them because all they ever do is talk about how much they love me and how perfect I am. My phone is blowing up with messages and paragraphs from them. They confess their love to me face to face. They confess to me over and over. I get poems written about how perfect I am. I have songs written about how perfect I am. They give me gifts while confessing their love. They pay my bills while confessing their love. They make my life easier while confessing their love. Every day is Valentine's Day for me. I receive nonstop compliments and praise every day. I know I am worthy of love. I am so loved and admired. I receive countless gifts every day. They fall head over heels in love with me every day. They love everything about me. I am literally a love magnet. I am their favorite person. My love life is literally a movie in the best way possible. I always receive extreme positive attention, including nonstop compliments, praise, adoration, and affection. I am surrounded by love in every area of my life. They are always telling me how much they love and appreciate me. They are always telling me that they love me. They are always telling me they want to stay together forever. I'm the only person they have ever loved and wanted. I'm the only person their heart wants. They have never been in love with anyone else. It's always been me. I have always been their number one priority. They are addicted to me. I am their soulmate. They can't resist me. They can't stop thinking about me. They always pursue me. I mean everything to them. They can't picture a life without me. They are crazy in love with me. They only think about me. They confess their love for me. Every time I breathe, they confess their love for me. Every time I talk, they confess their love for me. Every time I walk, they confess their love for me. Every time I drink, they confess their love for me. Every time I eat, they confess their love for me. Every time I exist, they confess their love for me. They spoil me with quality time, love, gifts, and dates. They are going insane right now because they can't stop thinking about me. They are in love with me and nothing else matters to them but me. I am the love of their life. I am their one and only. I am on their mind 24/7. They adore me. They love being in a relationship with me. They only have eyes for me. They prioritize and choose me. They value me so much. They are constantly texting me. They are happy around me. They are madly in love with me. They can't get me out of their mind. They are constantly dreaming of me. No matter where they are and what they are doing, they are always thinking of me. I dominate all of their thoughts. They are always being told they're lucky to have me. They feel extremely blessed and grateful to have me as a partner. They have me high up on a pedestal. They are crazily in love with me. They are thinking of me with love right now. They always have been and always will be perfect with me. Their main goal is to marry me and commit to me and my happiness. They are always praying to a higher power that our love will last forever. The way they look at me, you can tell they deeply love me. I am in the most perfect relationship with them. They are so obsessed with me. They kiss the ground I walk on. They are constantly thinking about me. They always spoil me with gifts. They love spending time with me. They always find excuses to be with me. They are in love with me. They think about me 24/7. They would move mountains for me. They always want to spend time with me. They always shower me with gifts and presents. They always think of their future with me. I am always their priority. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type "they are in love with me" to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanelle.com or by clicking the link in the description box below.